My gratitude to all of you. Now I request Sumanta to kindly offer a vote of thanks to all of us.
Thank you, Dr. Tiwari. I, on behalf of the School of Philosophy and Culture, express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Vice Chancellor of SMVDU, Professor Dr. R.K. Sinha, Padma Shri, for being the beacon of our pursuits. He not only encourages us, but also guide us in every possible way. And the best thing which I felt was that I've never seen a person of high repute. Sir, please do not mind if I'm saying this. I have never seen, believe me, a person of high repute, especially of the chief guest level, to stay back for the whole of the session, and that too with so much of inquisitiveness. So it was really an honor that you have provided us, and we really thank you so much for the encouragement. And your observation related to arts, culture, and philosophy as the parameter of human development is a reflection of that. So we really thank you for such patient hearing and being with us for the whole of the sessions, both in the, say, the pre-evening session and the post-evening session, or the pre-dinner session and the post-dinner session. We are also grateful to Shri N.S. Jamwal, Registrar SMVDU, for his words of wisdom and administrative support. And I must say that we are very sincerely thankful to Professor V.K. Bhatt, our Dean, for the second time. And he has been a support to us always and every time. In fact, many a times I guess I'm pretty sure that all our colleagues will be also accepting this, that we forget that whether he's from mathematics or he's from philosophy, because he takes so much of interest in philosophical pursuits as well, and gives us the kind of encouragement which we require. So we really thank him a lot. I will also like to thank Dr. Dhananjay Mishra for a beautiful recitation of Mangalacharan. Now let us start with the speakers. I will start with the first speaker, Professor Vishwanath Mishra, who gave an amazing presentation on nationalism. And his presentation was basically on Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, Sri Arvind, and Mahatma Gandhi. And the way he differentiated between the notion of Western nationalism and the Indian nationalism was a very in-depth analysis, because we also study philosophy and we have some understanding of political philosophy as well. But it was undisputably in-depth analysis, and we really thoroughly enjoyed it. And I'm pretty sure that Professor R.K. Sinha, our Vice Chancellor, has also said a lot about his presentation, which also echoes the same feeling. Now let me come to Professor Chakravarti's presentation. And I must say that Professor Chakravarti is the heart and soul of our department. It does not matter whether he stays with us, but he always stays with us because he has been the guiding force for, I guess, so not less than 6 to 7 years now. And his presentation on epistemic and spiritual empowerment, where he took us to a journey with Nyaya philosophy, where he claimed and proved that knowledge is the basis of epistemic, moral, and spiritual upliftment, was an amazing one. And the way I perceived it, it will be like shun fallacies and follow logic. But that was not all. And in fact, I was not very much aware of, because I'm not exactly very much having an understanding of Indian philosophy. But I was very happy to learn that dharma as righteousness, and that Nyaya is not only a treatise on logic, but a complete way of life. So I must say, Professor Chakravarti, you are wonderful as always. And I, and along with my colleagues, wish you good health so that you can keep guiding us for the coming years as well. In the end, I would also like to thank all participants, which include alumni of our university as well as our department, students, means the present students, the faculty members, and the staff members who have joined us. You really encouraged us, and we thank you once again for your patience as well as admiration. We also thank the supporting schools and the other departments for their administrative help. Once again, thank you all. Thank you so much. I now hand over the proceedings to Dr. Tiwari again.
Thank you, Sumanta, for giving wonderful thanks. So this is the time to say goodbye and take care well, all of you. I must say it was a great source of inspiration for all of us. that our Vice Chancellor, our Dean stayed all along. And Professor Chakravarti, as you said, he is a wonderful support and source of inspiration, guide, everything. So we look forward more such occasions. And with these words, I say good night to all of you. Thank you all very much. Pranam, sir.